In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to print sales tax reports in Xero. If you're getting ready for a tax filing, reconciling your books, or building a clean audit trail, this quick process will help you generate a professional, printable sales tax report straight from your Xero account. Start by logging into Xero using your usual sign-in method. Once you're on the main dashboard, go to the top navigation and click Reporting. This section gathers all your financial and compliance reports in one place, making it easy to find what you need for tax and accounting. From the reporting area, select Sales Tax Report. Depending on your region, you might see this labeled for VAT or GST, but it's the same report type. When it opens, you'll see the Sales Tax Summary. Before you print, take a moment to review it carefully. Confirm that the organization name is correct, the reporting period is what you expect, and the accounting basis shown matches how you file. Look through the totals for tax collected on sales and tax paid on purchases, any breakdowns by tax rate, and the net amount that's either payable or refundable. This quick check ensures you're printing exactly what you need without surprises later. When everything looks right, click Print on the report page. Xero will generate a print-friendly version. Give it a moment to load. Larger datasets or longer periods may take a few seconds. Once the preview appears, scan through each page. Check that headings, totals, and any footers are fully visible, and that page breaks. Don't split important sections awkwardly. If you see columns running wide, note whether portrait or landscape orientation will present the data more clearly. Next, adjust your printer settings in the print window. Choose the correct printer or destination, select the pages you want to include, and set the number of copies. Pick portrait or landscape to best fit the columns, and decide on color or black and white based on your needs. If your dialog includes options for paper size, margins, and scaling, use them to avoid cutoffs. Fit to page, or a slight scale reduction, often helps keep totals and column headers on the same page. When you're satisfied with the preview and settings, click Print in the print window. Your sales tax report will go to the selected printer with the formatting you reviewed. And that's it. By following these steps, logging into Xero, opening reporting, selecting Sales Tax Report, reviewing the Sales Tax Summary, printing, previewing, confirming formatting, choosing printer settings, and finalizing the print, you can produce accurate, professional sales tax reports for tax filing, accounting, or your business records.